So from a change management perspective, these were the key lessons that we've learned to date. There needs to be a big focus on the participation of existing staff within the organization and within the partner network. This is not a process that can be done to an organization. It's something that has to be done with an organization. And in order for an organization to transform in its totality, leaders must lead. This is not something that can be done by optimizing the silos, the design process versus the construction process versus the operations process. This has to be done in an integrated manner if the benefits are to be fully realized, and it's very necessary for the business case and to be communicated well and often by the leaders. Coordination through all of the existing departments, the silos, is absolutely critical. There has to be a uniform roadmap and governance of that roadmap across existing departments. This process is starting to break down existing silos. It's eliminating the waste in communication between those silos, and the governance process to make it happen is absolutely critical. Again, I emphasize this is more about people than it is about technology. And we should make sure that as we are implementing processes like this, we create an environment that allows people to thrive in a secure manner to their employment. And that allows the barriers between the departments to be broken down, communication to start to open up, and the wastes which are accumulated in the conventional process to be eliminated. And lastly, very important that in terms of our digital building lifecycle, generally our process lasts several years. And if we're going to go into a big bang approach around this, we're going to change our entire process. We're going to expect people to learn on the job. This is a fairly high risk process. So we've generally tried to roll out the approach progressively, to start on smaller projects, to then start to scale up to larger projects, and to make sure that we've tested some of the more difficult technical integrations in proof of concepts ahead of time. Make sure that we are not going to adversely delay a project.